Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog. We're going to do a before and after really quickly because behind me we see a slider. On the outsides we see wood blinds, and I just want to show one of the options that you can choose when doing a slider in order to give you the look that you want and the function that you want as well. So we finished the installation, slightly different angle just for lighting, but take a look at the draperies. First of all, if we look down, we'll see that the floor is a dark wood. The cabinetry is very similar, kind of similar to the color of these blinds. So they're quite dark that you can see here. So we did a material that pulls some of that darkness in, and then the light color that coordinates as well with the wall. But that's just the design of the drapery in terms of the fabric and the overall look. But how about the function? So this is a slider, and if we were going out through it, it opens this way on the right hand side. Now most people like to have a split drapery because it frames the overall look, and I think that's a really good idea. But one of the issues is if you have pets or children going in and out of this door, this is going to get hit all the time and it's going to have problems. So what we did, like a traditional drapery, we have this side that pulls over. I'm just going to open this for the light. And then on this side, notice what we designed. This is a traditional split draw drapery in this respect. And it has a good overall look, but there are times that, again, we may want to move this side over to the other. This way, the entire thing is stacked to the left when all the kids and the pets are trying to go in and out of the door, and it will give the function of a one-sided drapery, but when you want it to have the look you want, you can go both directions. The rod was also exceptionally critical in this. It has to be a big enough rod that it can support the weight. This is 7 feet across. So it has to be able to be a rod that will not sag over time. So we had to choose a material that wasn't too heavy. We had to choose a rod that had the right diameter, and we chose a one-piece rod, not one that is telescoping where they go in and out of each other. The reason for that is those rings would be hitting on it, and it would cause problems in the long run. So there are a lot of factors when doing draperies, but we're super happy with the end result of this. And as always, we thank you for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.